Hey everyone, it's Travis here at Four Seasons RV. Today we are looking at a brand new floor plan by Grand Design. We're looking at the Momentum M-Class fifth wheel. This floor plan is a 344M. This is a brand new floor plan for 2025. We think they did a fantastic job designing it. On this Momentum M-Class, you are going to have this fantastic More Ride pin box that's going to help reduce chucking on your fifth wheel. You're going to have two 30-gallon tanks, one for your onboard generator, the other 30-gallon tank for a fuel station for all those toys with your toy hauler. Additionally, you are going to have 6-point auto leveling hydraulic jacks, a good amount of storage here on the front, and then of course your outdoor entertainment space with your TV here and outdoor speakers. Next thing we're going to do is take a look inside. All right, we are here in the main living area. So first thing you're going to notice is this nice L-shaped sectional to give you a lot of good seating room here in the living room, right across from that huge TCL TV and that electric fireplace. Additionally, you're going to have some good storage over here with your dining room table that does come out when you need it or fold away when you're not using it to give you some extra space. Moving into the kitchen, you're going to notice this nice big pantry space, plenty of drawer space here that's very easy to access everything. Additionally, you are going to have that 12-volt residential size fridge. It's a huge fridge, guys. It is a French door fridge on the top with that big drawer for the freezer under the bottom. Moving into the rest of the kitchen, you are going to notice that nice luxury sink that Grand Design uses on all of their luxury models. All the Momentums, Solitudes, and the Influences have them. Additionally, here you're going to have your built-in trash can, so you don't have to worry about finding a place for that, as well as your residential size cooking appliances, 4-burner stove, and nice big oven there. Next, we're going to take a step back in here into the garage space. Just like normal with your traditional garage space, you're going to have the Happy Jack system. So you got a queen size bed here, 2 sofas that do turn into an additional queen size bed. They give you a nice little folding table to put in between them. It's a perfect place to play cards, as well as this lofted bunk space up here with the TV mounted. One of the great things about these two is when you're driving down the road, you put them right up. You got plenty of space for storage or for those extra toys that you're hauling. Additionally, on the back, you are going to have a nice 3-season patio door with that deck space. It turns into a nice gathering space to enjoy the wonderful weather. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look up at the master. As we're up here in the master, first thing we're going to do is check out the bathroom. You're going to have a good seated toilet here, nice big open shower space there, and plenty of storage over and around the bathroom sink. Moving into the bedroom, this is going to be a queen size bed. You can option it in, order it from the factory with a king size or a queen size. This one is a queen. And then of course they give you your closet space here on the slide. A lot of good storage space here, guys. This is a fantastic camper. Like I said, we are extremely impressed with this layout and we think you're going to love it. So come on down and see us at Four Seasons RV.